Hi there everybody! Today I'll be installing my new printer. It's the PANTUM P2200 A4 mono laser printer plus Western Digital Elements 1.5 terabyte portable hard drive. Yeah, an interesting combination to be sure. Why would they bundle a printer with a hard drive? If you have the answer, put it in the comments below. Now you might have seen these in Checkers Hyper and you wondered what they're like. Now, I've seen them installed. Well, I've seen this one actually. Actually, that is why unfortunately I cannot unbox this one on camera because it's already unboxed. I got it second-hand for cheap. The lady who bought it and was happy with it, but she actually wanted a printer with a scanner. This one doesn't have a scanner, it's just a printer. It only prints in black, which will be fine for my purposes. I'm not gonna print any pictures or make photocopies or whatever. I just want something that can print text documents. So, let's see what the information on the box is. It says here, hyper value. Let me just hold it like this so you can see. Hyper value, print high quality documents on the go. PANTUM P2200 A4 mono laser printer plus Western Digital Elements 1.5 terabyte portable hard drive. The small and compact but powerful P2200 is the robust, trustworthy solution for office which requires a cost-effective mono printer. Mono, I believe, is because it only prints in black. Capable of a consistently high level of performance and printed output, the P2200 has been developed by PANTUM printer specialists who have been bringing new ideas and new technologies to machines over the past 13 years. The modest appearance and small footprint of the P2200 belies a machine capable of a high level of performance, offering significant support to small or home offices. PANTUM, and there in the corner, Western Digital. Phew, okay, this box is pretty heavy, I must say. But yeah, I think we got about all the information we need. What do we have on this side? This side says, okay, PANTUM P2200 A4 mono laser printer, print high quality documents on the go technology, laser printer, print speed up to 20 pages per minute, A4 or 21 pages per minute, letter size, resolution 1200 by 1200 dpi, first printout time less than 7.8 seconds, processor 600 MHz, memory 64 MB, connectivity high speed USB 2.0. Oh yes, unfortunately not USB 3. And on this side is just a crazy looking person who's very happy that she got the printer or something. Ultra fast data transfers with, oh, here it says USB 3. High capacity in a compact design, downloadable trial of Western Digital Smartware Pro, backup software. Oh, that's Smartware Pro backup software. What does that say now? Plug and play, ready for Windows PCs. Alrighty, I think that's enough reading for now. What does this say? Omni Digital. Don't know what that is. Maybe the distributors. Now, this is a nice green box with lots of information. However, you'll find that inside, alright, let's just take out the hard drive first. The hard drive is just this Western Digital Elements 1.5 terabyte hard drive. I take it that's to jack up the price because this whole package bundle cost 1,200 Rand. So, well, these things, I don't know what they sell for anymore, 1.5 terabyte. I have in my head about 1,000 Rand. So the printer is maybe 300 to 500 Rands worth. That's probably why they packaged it like this. But yeah, nice little hard drive. Shall we just take it out? I don't know if you know what these look like. I hate packaging, that's hard to open. Alright, there we go. Gonna take this out. There's the hard drive. A little booklet for it with a cable, connector cable. So let's just take this out. There's your 1.5 terabyte hard drive and the cable for it. Of course you connect it, where now? There. No, not this side. Plug it in there, this side. And of course this just goes into your USB plug on your computer. And then you have 1.5 terabyte of storage. Yeah, handy little things. Although this is not a solid state drive, which is even better than this. But these work also. We'll just put it aside for now, to the side. Okay, now what else is there? Then inside you'll find another box. Yeah, this is actually the printer's box. This box is just to make it green, to put it in the colors of Checkers Hyper. What shall we do with this now? Okay, just put it down for now. And alright, these are just printer papers I brought along to print stuff on once we get to the printing test. Cable, of course, that comes with it. That's just your normal printer cables that you connect to your computer. CD for the drivers, although I will say I have seen on the lady that owned this just before me, when you connect this printer it automatically picked it up on Windows 10. You didn't need to run the CD, you didn't need to install the drivers from the CD, but yeah, they are here if you need them. So let's unpack some more. Of course there's more polystyrene, or styrofoam as some people also call it. There's your kettle cable with the three holes in it, also used for kettles, hence the name kettle cable. And now we'll get to the actual printer. So let's take it out. There she is. PANTUM printer. What does it say there? P2200 series monochrome laser printer. Compact design, fast print speed, first page out time 7.8 seconds. Processor speed, memory 600 MHz, 128 megabytes. And then there's a little, what do you call those things that you can scan? I forget. Alright, and that's what's in the box. So let's put that down. And alright, this part, this is just a tray. I'm not sure where to put that in. Oh, it's probably to let your papers come out of. Now where do you connect this now? Does it go in here? No, it doesn't. Well, I don't know where this little tray goes. I'll probably see later. For now, let's just connect our kettle cable. And then there's also a switch here on the back. Yeah, remember, this must be switched on. If your printer doesn't work, it's probably not switched on there. Let's see what else is here. Manufacturer Zhuhai PANTUM Electronics Company Limited. In China. Importer Coloc, a division of Bidwest Paper Plus. And so on and so forth. Not sure what this thing means. Class 1 laser product. Monochrome laser printer. This part, of course, goes into the electricity outlet in the wall, while our printer cable, well, this side, of course, will go into the computer, while this side goes in there. Yeah, what's this? Looks like it's something for a network, but yeah, I don't know if you're supposed to break that out or if that functionality is just not available. But anyway, this part will go into the computer now. Okay, and now, oh, I don't know what it's doing now, but I just connected it. I did hear the computer make a sound that it picked it up. Oh, I don't know, it's dead now. Alright, this we can open up. I remember there was like an orange cardboard thingy that we had to take out here when it was new. This is where your printed paper is gonna come out. Oh no, I'm lying. This is where you put your new paper. Yeah, so let's get that. Of course, these you can adjust by pinching them, just like this one. Okay, so let's put our papers in there. And let's make this the right size for the paper. Okay, our papers are loaded. Now I remember years when you open it, there is your cartridge. This is cartridge PC210E, replaced with PC210. Oh, not E again. 1600 pages it says. Yeah. When this was new, you had to first take it out like so, or how do you do this now? Oh yeah, you just flip it up. And there you go. There's your cartridge. Yeah, when it was new, it still had plastic, 2 pieces of plastic that you just had to pull off somewhere. I can't remember where, I think here on the side somewhere, just to get the plastic off of it. And then you just put it back. And we close that up now. And it's making a noise. Not sure what's happening now. Is it ready to print or what? See, the previous time I saw it installed, it showed there in the corner of the computer screen that it picked up this printer, the printer name and the model number. But this time it did not, but it did make a noise, that Windows noise. So it did detect the printer. So I guess the only way for us to know if it's right now is to actually print something. See, I haven't yet installed any drivers. Oh, maybe on this computer we should. Maybe that's why I didn't quite pick it up yet. Let's just see in control panel if it has this computer there. Let's see, devices, Bluetooth printers and mouse. Oh, Bluetooth is on. Doesn't need to be on now. Where's this printer? Ah, there it is. P2200 series. Okay, well in that case I suppose it means the printer is already installed. Let's just quickly write something. So let's just type and type and type and type. I just want the whole page full. Okay, let me just copy and paste this. That'll go a lot quicker. Alright, that's our document. Let's just print it quickly. Print. And now we need to select the PANTUM. Now where's the PANTUM? Yeah, you see it's not here. But now why does it say that that printer is online? Is it maybe thinking this printer is that printer? Let's do one test quickly. Let's just do page 1 and print. Okay. Nothing's happening, yeah, no. I think maybe we will have to run the CD after all. Well, I suppose that's not too much of a problem. We'll just run the CD quickly. Okay, it says there DVD. Select to choose what happens. And run auto run, I'm gonna say. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes. PANTUM. Okay, this is just our gibberish document. Let me just minimize it for now so it doesn't confuse us. There's the PANTUM thing. I agree. Welcome to the PANTUM product. Welcome to the PANTUM product. Please install the driver by follow steps. Power on. Okay. Okay, our printer is powered on. I wonder what this info does. Oh, info and a cancel button it also has. That's probably for paper, I assume. Alright, our printer is powered on. Select the way of connection. Connect with USB, connect with wireline network, connect with Wi-Fi. Alright, ours is one-click installation, connect with USB. Okay, now there's a progress bar. Installing the driver software will take some time. Okay, it won't take all that much time. We'll just wait for that progress bar to finish. Okay, and it says there, congrats, you have completed PANTUM P2200 series driver installation. Please print the test page to make sure that the printer can be used normally. Then we have to click the print test page. Test page is sent to printer. What do we have? Not doing anything yet. Come on now. Ah, there it goes. And it's taking the paper. Oh, and it already printed. What does it say? You see how quickly it printed this? Windows printer test page, printer properties, and so on and so forth. Printed a lot of stuff, yeah, very, very quickly. Okay, let's just close all this. And I suppose now we can print our gibberish document also. Print and page 1. Yeah, I only want to print. Okay, I only want to print page 1. And are you watching? Because this is gonna go really fast. Watch. We should actually time this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, and the page goes in. And it's done printing. Yeah, see, that's what I like about it. The printing speed is really, really fast. Maybe you're used to printers being this fast, but not me. I'm still used to those HP DeskJets that go and yeah, I like this of course a lot more. Alright, well, there we go. That is the PANTUM printer then, P2200. I just don't really know where that extra tray was supposed to go, that tray that I had somewhere, but I'm sure the manual will say where. If there was a manual, I forgot now. No, there wasn't one, was there? I think there was just like a quick start guide. I think I might have forgotten to take it from the previous owner. But alright, obviously it works without that. So, I think I'm gonna be very happy with my new fast printer, laser printer. How long will it last? Well, it said there on the cartridge, it will print 1600 pages, and it's printed about 4 in total now. Now what's going on? Oh, nothing. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. Please remember, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. And we'll talk about some more cool products and whatever, really. Later!